the video. So ngayon ay bukas ay may new update. Kasi tignan nyo naman yung nag-ano ako guys. Tignan nyo New update. I'm not joking. Look at this. The time has earlier come. Update 69 will be arriving this Saturday and will be packed with new content. Several new car traffic warm settings, new challenges and reward a giant the map and more. This is so exciting. Masama pa bang kay Ayan guys, kulay blue lang. What nangyari pa naging kulay blue guys? I don't know. New update. February 20. Oh my god. So guys, hintayin na lang natin.
Internet na.
And ayun lang, baka ang ganda nito. Look at this naman. Ang laki. And kung naman yung video, mag-like and subscribe naman kayo. And bye-bye.